Okay. So again, good evening all who are joined. Okay. So you all know that our institute is in Khandagiri Square, which is in Bhubaneswar, right? And you all can visit this website pythonsoft.org, which is already present in our Google, right? If I will show you. Okay. Sorry. My audio, my audio is clear, right? Just a second. My audio is clear, right? Okay. Thank you. So if I will show you the Python shop only. Okay. So this is our actual website, right? We're providing much more courses in that there, right? And I am also providing just a second disturbance. You can see here that we're providing Python, data science, Django, machine learning, AI project, okay, and advanced Java data structure, okay. But today we'll discuss about the Python full stack, how it is going on, right? Okay. So if it is clear, then we'll see. Admitting. Just a second, everyone. Just 2 minutes wait. We'll just admit everyone. Then we'll start the class again, right? Because it's disturbing me. Okay. So here is your CEO, Mr. Ranjan Das. Okay. And we are providing also the guidance to the placement cell. And new batches are going from 17th February. Okay. You can contact at any time. Okay. Oh. Sure. Okay. We just go and learn the Python. And why Python? Okay. Go to the slide. Sir, everyone. See, nowadays, why we're studying Python means every MNCs now in foreign countries, we are in Odisha, we are in India, now learning that Java, React, Python, right? But in other countries, they are now fully fast. Okay, they are they are learning so many technologies now, which we can't know. Okay, that's why as a developer, as a student, we have to know the uh, growing technologies, right? In between that, the Python is one of them. Whom the Google, YouTube, Instagram, Dropbox, Mozilla, NASA, Facebook, IBM, Quora, Reddit. Okay, these are so many companies. Okay, and also MNC companies who are now now based on the Python they are working. Okay, so I just want to clear about that maximum people don't know about that full stack. What is actually full stack? Okay, we know everyone learning that we are learning React full stack, we are learning Python full stack, we are learning Java full stack, right? But don't from 100%, 90% people don't know about the full stack actually. What is actually full stack? Okay, before going to know about the full stack, we have to know the three-tier technologies, right? Three-tier technologies. What is the three-tier technology? If you Google, you can see that there is three tier like technology means first one is front end, second one is middleware, and third one is our backend. Okay, and in between that, in front end technologies, okay, we are learning like the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? And and the higher version of CSS like a Bootstrap, you say you can know the Tailwind CSS, right? And in JavaScript we can say React also, Angular also, right? They are all the front end technologies. We just know about that. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, and when we go to the middleware, we just can say our the programming languages whom we are using now, like the Java, Python, okay, you can say PHP, you can say JavaScript, okay, you can say our C Sharp, okay, these are the middleware technologies, okay, these are when we call a student like when sorry, okay, when I call a student like what is backend, everyone can say that backend is like we are using Python, we are using Java. Like, sorry. What happened? Okay. So, so actually that is not a true answer. We are using the middlewares here. Okay. We are using the middlewares whom we are using like we are just only use the Python language, basic Python. Why? To know the language that we can use in the advanced path. Okay. Like in our framework. Okay, so that if we know the basic Python, then we can handle the backend part, not fully the backend. Clear, everyone? Clear. Okay. Then you can see now that Google, YouTube, Instagram also using Python means Python is so important. Okay. So next we have to clear that. My screen is visible, right? Everyone, just okay. Sorry. Okay then. Okay. Thank you. Next. So why Python means? We just know that Python is the most popular programming language in the world nowadays. Okay, we can made any language. Okay, okay, standalone application, web-based application, mobile application, games, etc. Okay, and also we are using like a data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, maximum student. अब अब किसी को पूछेगा तो वो बोलेगा कि हम पाइथन इसलिए पढ़ रहे हैं कि हमें डाटा साइंस आएगा, मशीन लर्निंग आएगा, ठीक है, आर्टिफिशियल एआई आएगा। लेकिन ये बात नहीं है कि पाइथन पढ़ने से सिर्फ ये मतलब एआई ही पता होगा, ठीक है। वी कैन हैंडल द एप्लीकेशन ऑल्सो, वी कैन, ओके, वी कैन मेड एन एप्लीकेशन, वेब एप्लीकेशन ऑल्सो। मैक्सिमम पीपल को वो भी पता नहीं है कि वेब एप्लीकेशन क्या है और एप्लीकेशंस क्या है। एप्लीकेशन ये है कि जो हम एंड्रॉइड में बनाते हैं, कटलिन में बनाते हैं, ठीक है। तो एंड्रॉइड और आईओएस में जो बनाते हैं वो एप्लीकेशन होता है, फुल्ली एप्लीकेशन जो, ओके। पर लो वेब एप्लीकेशन वो होता है मतलब एक वेबसाइट बताओ, जैसे कि अमेजन है, फ्लिपकार्ट है। ये पहले क्या था ना, ये एक था क्या मतलब वेबसाइट था, उसको ही वेब एप्लीकेशन बना गया है, ठीक है। तो जो वेबसाइट एप्लीकेशन के एप्लीकेशन का जैसा काम कर रहा है, वही उसको बोलते हैं वेब एप्लीकेशंस। ठीक है। तो तो हम ये पाइथन की वजह से वो एप्लीकेशंस बना सकते हैं, वेब एप्लीकेशन बना सकते हैं। तो एआई की तरफ से भी जा सकते हैं, डाटा साइंस, मशीन लर्निंग, सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। तो उसके बाद, सो जब मैं पाइथन को, पाइथन ही क्यों, हम तो जावा भी पढ़ सकते हैं ना। अब तो वेबिनार भी किया था जावा फुल स्टैक। तो वाई पाइथन, पाइथन ही क्यों? क्योंकि अब स्कूल लेवल में ही भी पाइथन को पढ़ाया जाता है, क्योंकि ये जो पाइथन का लैंग्वेज है वो इतना ही सिंपल है कि जैसे इंग्लिश का ग्रामर जैसा है। ठीक है। तो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई व्हाई school level of students can also learning Python. Okay, you can see here also. तो क्या हो रहा है? ओके, देखिए, ये तो आपको पता होगा, सी प्रोग्राम एवरीवन कैन नो, राइट? कि जैसे हमारे मदर लैंग्वेज उड़िया है, हम उड़ीसा से हैं, तो उड़िया ही है। ठीक है। तो इससे सी प्रोग्रामिंग मदर लैंग्वेज ऑफ ऑल द प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस। ओके। सो सी प्रोग्राम में एक हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रिंट करने के लिए 4 लाइन लिखना पड़ता है। जैसे हाज इंक्लूड स्टीरियो एडवर्टाइज वर्ड मेन फंक्शन लिखना होता है उसको। क्या स्टैंडर्ड इनपुट आउटपुट के हेडर फाइल में लिखना होता है। ठीक है। उसके बाद प्रिंट करने के लिए हेलो लिखना पड़ता है। ये सी प्रोग्राम है। उसके बाद सी सी प्लस प्लस प्रोग्राम के लिए ये सब लाइन लिखना पड़ता है। हाज इंक्लूड आईओ स्ट्रीम, नेम स्पेस, इन मेन फंक्शन। ओके। एंड सी आउट हेलो। ठीक है। ये लाइन लिखना पड़ता है क्योंकि हम एक हेलो वर्ल्ड प्रोग्राम को प्रिंट करने के लिए। ठीक है। ठीक है। लेकिन जब जावा में जाते हैं, ये भी वही बताते हैं कि हमें पब्लिक स्टैटिक वॉइड मेन तो वो लिखना ही पड़ता है। ठीक है। और क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है, क्लास नेम देना पड़ता है। ठीक है। लेकिन हमें पाइथन के प्रोग्राम में कोई भी लाइन लिखना नहीं पड़ता है, सिर्फ सिंगल लाइन। एक इंग्लिश ग्रामर जैसा होता है कि हमें प्रिंट करना है, मतलब प्रिंट ही लिख दो, हो जाएगा। मेरा नाम अविनाश है, तो मैं अविनाश लिख लेता हूँ डबल कोटेशन में, तो प्रिंट हो जाएगा पाइथन। ठीक है। तो ये सब डिफरेंस है सी, सी प्लस, जावा और पाइथन में। एंड यू नो दैट पाइथन इज फुल्ली इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज, राइट? लेकिन सी नहीं है, ये कंपाइल्ड लैंग्वेज है। ये भी कंपाइलर है, ये बोथ कंपाइलर एंड इंटरप्रेटर। एंड पाइथन इज फुल्ली इंटरप्रेटेड लैंग्वेज। और सिंगल लाइन लाइन ही दिखता है। ठीक है। फर्स्ट कंपाइलेशन होगा जावा में, उसके बाद इंटरप्रिटेशन होगा। लेकिन पाइथन में ऐसा नहीं होगा, डायरेक्टली इंटरप्रिटेशन, डायरेक्ट। एंड ऑल्सो दिस ऑल आर द हाई लेवल लैंग्वेजेस, बट if I will compare all of those languages with Python, then I say Python is very good and very easy to learn, right? आपको जावा में क्या मतलब, जावा में जो कोड लिखना होता है, वो 100 लाइन्स ऑफ कोड जो बताएगा, ये पाइथन 10 लाइन्स ऑफ कोड में वही बताएगा। ठीक है। एंड सो इजी टू लर्न, यू कैन सी नाउ। ओके। एंड यू कैन सी दिस मशीन को, मतलब सोर्स प्रोग्राम इज कन्वर्टेड टू बाइट कोड, एंड बाइट कोड इज कन्वर्टेड टू योर मशीन लैंग्वेज, मशीन कोड्स। दिस इज, you can also know these are the oops concept. Okay. Object oriented programming, also providing Java, also providing Python. And in between the object oriented programming, these are the 4 types. Okay. You can say abstraction, you can say polymorphism, you can say inheritance. Okay. So these all are the object oriented programming. Means it's give us so much private to our programs. Okay, so that we are using Java and Python. Okay. Okay, everyone. I can't see your chats. Just a minute. Okay, simple and ready-made libraries are available to make our code execute faster. Yes, Sukalem. Right. Yes. Actually, it's very simple. Okay. So for the Python purpose, we are using installing Anaconda like that. Okay. You all know that if you have any. Okay. So these are for the Python, right? If you go for the Python, okay, Python compiler, okay, you can run in any platform, okay, online platform, any Jupyter notebook, any VS code, okay, any Python program, right? So Python is so much easy, very easy, right? Okay. So if I write here print try promise.pro, just run it, and it will give me try promise.pro, right? It's the online compiler. And we are just writing print. Okay, it will give us only the real output. If I want to put, if just I want to print my name also, I love myself. So if I want to print my name, just only print, and in between double quotation, I just print run, and it will give me output. Right? Avilas. Clear, everyone. and and you all know that when we're using Java or C, we have to define our variables, right? If you don't know, we'll learn about that. But if I want to add something, if I want to subtract something, if I want to multiplication something, okay, I just want to, for example, I give a variable like 2, okay, and b equals to 3, okay, and I just want to print this a plus b, right? And it will give me the answer. It's so easy, right? But when you come to the Java, we have to write 5 lines, and we have to define the a is a its data type, it's integer, it's floating, it's least, like that. Okay, but in Python, it is not mandatory to define the variables. Okay, if I'll subtract this, it's so easy. I'm just learning you that how Python is working. Okay, it's so easy that we can learn. Everyone can learn. Okay, a minus b and multiply, just star and b. Okay, just a basic idea I'm giving. Okay, and you all know about this. I can understand. Okay, so I am just ये दिखा रहा हूं कि पाइथन इतना इजी है कि हमको समझना जल्दी से आ जाएगा। ठीक है, तो उसके बाद हम जब बोलते हैं कि हम 3 टायर टेक्नोलॉजी के अंदर जाते हैं, तो फर्स्ट होता है फ्रंट एंड, उसके बाद आता है मिडिल लेयर, उसके बाद आता है मतलब बैक एंड। सो किसी को भी बताएंगे बैक एंड क्या होता है, कोई भी नहीं बताया कि बैकएंड में डाटाबेस होता है। वो बताएंगे कि डाटा मतलब बैकएंड में हम यूज करते हैं पाइथन, उसको यूज करते हैं जावा, राइट? एक्चुअली बैकएंड इज आवर डाटाबेस। एक्चुअल बैकएंड इज आवर database. Okay, we are just connecting our front end to our the back end by using middleware technologies. Middleware technologies means our the programming languages, our Java, our Python. Okay, clear, everyone? And when we come to the front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how it is going on? Like, if you just want to just show you, if I show you the like Indigo, okay. If I'll show you Indigo website like that. Okay. It is fully based on the fully a big website. It is a web application. Okay. It is not a website where we can't change anything. That is a static websites. Okay. Here we can change dynamically. So that is a web applications. Here you can, if I will search here, like I'll search like hotels. Okay. We can make changes here. Okay. It automatically changes something. Okay. Okay. So I'll search here. We can change anything here. So that is called web applications. Okay. But like our company websites, we can change here Pythonsoft. Here Pythonsoft. It is not a web application. It is a website and it is a web application. This is the difference between website and web application. Here we can change. Here we'll give the data here and it will give us outputs. But here there is no data we can give. Here only we can see or read this. So that is called websites. Okay. Our Pythonsoft website. Okay. We can change. Here we can't change anything. Okay. We're only okay, everyone. So this is called the web applications and this is a website. Clear, everyone? And when you go to the HTML like that, so if I'll show you, we can go to inspect. Okay, go to inspect, and here we can see all the HTML codes written here. Okay, if I'll show you the whole HTML codes of here, just go to right click. Okay, just right click here, Indigo website. Okay, just right click here and go to view page source. Here all this line are the HTML code of this web application. All this. Okay. And how much important is HTML, right? It's giving the structure to our website. Okay. So when we want to save out the CSS, okay, just say, just inspect here. Okay. And I just I just want to I just want to I just want to delete the CSS here. So you can see that how Indigo website looking. This is our Indigo website. By the use of CSS, we are designing so neatly. It's looking like a wow, right? The CSS impact on our website. So without CSS, how HTML or how Indigo website is looking, you can see. Okay. So after HTML, we have to read about the CSS also. Okay. Like if we know the if you build a house, okay, and when the working is going on, that is our HTML. When bricks, cements, okay, that is our HTML pages. But when we color our buildings, that is our CSS. Okay. But after the coloring or after the building finish, that is not enough, right? We have to we have to add water system, current system in that house. That is particularly our JavaScript. Okay. That particularly is our JavaScript. You can see I just delete an element where Indigo website become this one. Okay. In that head section, all the CSS properties are written. You can understand. Okay. And you can see here in console, here in console, all the JavaScript coded are written here. Okay. In element section, all the HTML. Okay. And in the style section, you can see you can change an website also. If I want to change here, I can also change. Like just say, okay. Here written that hi there, where would you like to? Okay. Is just I'll just write hi, welcome to Pythonsoft. Yes. See, I also changed the Indigo website. Hi, welcome to Pythonsoft. Okay. But it is not clear that in your website it can show. Okay. ये नहीं दिखाई देगा क्योंकि ये हम मैंने ही चेंज किया था। वो मेरे वेबसाइट के लिए मैंने चेंज किया है, तो ये मेरे वेबसाइट में ही दिखाएगा। ठीक है। ये आपके वेबसाइट में नहीं दिखाएगा क्योंकि मैं इंडिगो वेबसाइट को चेंज नहीं कर सकता, वो प्राइवेट है। ठीक है। मैं मेरा फन के लिए मैंने चेंज किया। ठीक है एवरीवन। ओके। सो so how JavaScript is working going on means you just search here. Every functioning works only going through the JavaScript. Okay. Okay. Every function works. Like if I will search here, okay, use current location. If I will search here, the where to go, Delhi to, for example, Bhubaneswar, right? Every functioning work, what we are giving is that is on the basis of JavaScript and our backend programming languages. But here in Indigo, it is based upon the React actually. So it is based on the Node.js. Okay. But we are in Python, we are using Django for particular purpose. It is a framework. Okay, I will discuss about that. Okay, but when you go into the functioning of the website, it is totally based upon the JavaScript. Okay, see, I just put the data here and want to search. Okay, and want to search here. You can say necessarily. So you just see, you just see there the Indigo. I just give the data here and it will just give me the whole data, okay, that only based upon the backend calls and the functioning part that is only done by the JavaScript. Okay. If I'll just show you, okay, I have already show you the how HTML works and how CSS works, how HTML is important, how CSS is important. This is based upon the web development. Okay. If we learn the Python, okay, that is not enough. We have to build something. Okay. We have to build a website. We have to build an application. So that's for which we have to learn about the front end technologies. Okay. Then upon that, we have to learn about the back end technologies, like to call the database. Okay. Like that, we have to just show you that how. Okay. If I'll just call you that it is just only, I just show you. Okay. Okay. If I'll just show you, this is only on the basis of stable and CSS. It is only on the basis of HTML and CSS. It's only here we only give the HTML and CSS. Here only also. If I want to inspect, this is if I want to know about the HTML codes, it is the view page source. Go to the view page source and you can access the HTML codes of this website. Okay. And when you go to about the CSS property, right? Just go to inspect and no. Okay. Elements, and here you can see I just want to inspect here, right? Inspect. I'm just inspecting this. Okay. By inspecting, we are change our websites. Okay. This I just want to change this one. Right. Here it is this. Give a workout. Just I want to change it. Give me a work. Okay. Enter. So it is also changing. Right? Yes or no? Okay. We can know about the style properties also. Styles. Here by HTML. Okay. And here in the head section, we have linked all the CSS property and also external files like Google Fonts, okay, style sheet, CSS, and APIs, fonts APIs, okay, Google static. Like that also we are adding this. So head section, we can learn in the HTML section. We can learn in the HTML how it is work. You can understand all the website development. It's just a, you can say it's a foundation of web development, HTML. Okay, clear everyone? Then you can see it is based upon only the CSS and HTML. There is no functionality. Is there any functionality? It's working. Anything working? Is there any functionality here? If I will give you something, if I will give you something, okay, like that. If I will click register, it's working? No. Okay. So it's not working. It's also giving the what? Privacy. If I'll give you the ABC at the rate 0. Okay. Like that. .com. Okay. If I'll click on the register also, it's not working. Why? Here we can't give the JavaScript here. It is only the HTML and CSS. Only you can create an website by HTML and CSS. How it is looking good. Right. But after the adding the JavaScript, you can say that how nicely it's working, how you register, how you sign up, how you log in, all the things occurs only via the backend technologies like you are using frameworks, you are using the JavaScript, and you can say JavaScript is a programming language or not. Anyone can answer in chats, right? Obviously, JavaScript is a programming language, and also we're using in front end. But you can say that, sir, you just say that programming languages are using in the middleware technologies. But the JavaScript is a middleware technology or not? Yes, obviously, JavaScript is a middleware technology. We can use JavaScript also as a middleware. But this is on the client side application, client side programming languages, and also the server side programming languages. So you can use in the front end part, and also if you can use, if you want to use the JavaScript only in the backend or the middleware, then you can also use. Okay. And JavaScript also a vast. We only focus on the Python, Java, you can say C Sharp, .NET, like that. But JavaScript also so much a big language. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so if I go to the if I'll explain the JavaScript also, it's a two big languages. Okay, we can explain in the what, in the full stack Python full stack languages also. First of all, we are studying the basic Python. First of all. if you're clear in Python, if you're just build using a project on the basis of Python only, you can go to the HTML, CSS, JavaScript again, and Django also. Why Django? Means we have to provide a framework. Why? Why means a framework is the collection of all the functions. Okay, you just see, you just heard about that. It is a library and the framework, right? Like you just heard about the React, you just heard about the Angular, you just heard about Vue. Okay, all the technologies are the all the technology are the advanced level of JavaScript only. Okay, and if you can say the library of the JavaScript is React only, and the framework of the JavaScript is our Angular. Okay, but we can learn we can't learn all the things as a developer. It- If you are a computer science related student, you can say as a full form of CSE, you can say it's not a computer science. It's a continuous study. If you want to be a computer science engineer, you want to be a software engineer, means you have to learn all the things day by day, because technology is going. Technology are all means is it's in high position right now. Okay, you have to learn every day. You have to be pro in all the technologies. So that's why we are learning full stack, because we can develop a particular website or we can develop a particular applications, so that we can become a freshers developer, so that a company can hire us, right? If you have not the technologies, if you have not the knowledge of the technology, then why a company like MNC or the startups can hire you? Okay, so if you're going to the Django also, we have already discussed about the Python, which is basic Python, why you have to learn. Okay, and if you're going about the HTML, CSS. Okay, and you can just say, okay, HTML, how HTML is, and why CSS, why JavaScript, and why lastly the Django. In Python there is two frameworks, Flask and Django. You can learn both of them, but nowadays Django is in high position, because you are using Instagram, you are using LinkedIn. Okay, you are using YouTube only. All the social media right now is only developed by the Django framework. So that's why we have to learn the Django websites or the Django framework right now. That's why Django is in high position and we have to learn this. Okay. Why Django means, you can I just want to see in the you just see where we are just using, sorry, if you are using this, you can say, okay, you can see how we are just in Django. If we learn all the technologies in Django, it's like a game of cricket. We just want to connect all the things like that. And its Django is like a wow, you can say. Okay. You just see here we are using that only. That particular website which we are using in that only HTML and CSS. Okay. Which I have just show you now. So this that particular website. We have just added here. Sorry. We have just made our Django web application a dynamic. Why? Why means you just see if I will just run it here. Okay. And when we want to, when I just want to run it here. Okay. See, this is this is our just a second. This is our only HTML CSS property. Okay, using this HTML CSS. Okay, no functionality. And here we are using Django to develop this. Okay, here we can add all the dynamic steps so that we can register here. Okay, all the dynamic positions. Okay, and it's better that you can. Sorry, now sharing is now visible, everyone. Now it's visible, everyone. Okay. See, so this is the time, and also it's a why we're using Django means you can see here, you can see here. I just want to show you the admin. Okay, you just see. Okay, here here Django just provide us the admin panel here. In other technologies, you just go, you just learn Java and it's advanced Java. Okay, you just learn JSP Hibernate. Okay, we have to create our administration page. But in Django, it's a great opportunity for us that we don't have to take so much time on to to build our administration page. As a developer, we know the administration which we can handle it from our backend, right? And it's a good words or a good thing for us that in Django, okay, we are using in backend. Why? We have already tell that in backend we are using our databases. Like you can say SQL, you can say MySQL. This these are relational databases. Okay, MySQL, you can say MongoDB. Okay, you can say SQLite. All are the databases, relational databases we're using. And by using these languages, SQL or MySQL, we are connecting with our programming languages. And by this, we can store our data onto that database, right? This is the great opportunity for us that Django never ever give that worries to us. It's directly give us the backend server, means our database also, and also giving the framework this that's so easy that we can learn the whole framework in very easy steps, and also so much s- easy lines. You can just see here, you can just see here in these languages. These are the HTML codes. You can see these are the HTML codes, and we are just printing. We are just printing so much little lines. You say little lines. Okay, and here you can say that in Django, little lines of code can impact to our websites. Java. If I'll give you the if I'll give you the difference between the JavaScript and the Django, JavaScript give us functionality to our websites, but But why we are using Django means also Django gives functionality to our websites or web applications. But Django is more flexible, more compatible, and more dynamic than JavaScript. It's give us a dynamic, fully dynamic web application and give a valuable. Okay, and it's too easy. You just compare. You can see YouTube. You just see Instagram. How it's going on, and only Django is used there. How compatible it is, and your if you I can want to compare the all the programming languages with the Python, but I definitely say that the Python programming languages and the Python frameworks are too better than the other frameworks as a Python developer or the Python trader. It's a it's a better opportunity for me to explain that Python is a too much better. You can see too much, not a lengthy lines of code, not a big lines of clumsy codes. Okay, like that you can say that Python is so much easy. Okay, clear everyone. And in that Python full stack courses, this is this is a 6 months of course where we are learning the first of the basic Pythons, then we are going upon the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then Django. Okay, this is fully, and also the database like SQL or SQLite. And in the you know that in Django, obviously SQLite is predefined. We don't have to learn this, but we have to use it. So you can say how Python is. As a in that 6 months you can learn whole about the full stack from the zero to hero steps. Okay. And if everyone just want to contact, or if everyone just want to learn more about the Python, just attend the demo sessions also. Okay. And you can learn all the technologies by our Pythonsoft learning programs. Okay. This is all about our uh, webinar. I don't want to disclose all the things. Okay. And I hope you just learn more about this webinar, and you can learn the technology, how it is going on. So that's all for today. Okay, everyone. This is all for today. Thank you for attending this webinar. Is there any doubt? Okay then. सर समझ में नहीं आया एक बार। क्या विषय? क्या समझ में नहीं आया? कौन सा हिंदी में बताऊं, बताइए। एवरीथिंग इन हिंदी। हाँ, बेसिक बताओ। सम्मी, सम्मी टाइप्स का सारा बताइए। सम्मारे टाइप्स का क्या समझ में नहीं आया? सम्मारी टाइप्स का सारा बताइए सर। क्या सम्मी, सम्मी टाइप्स का? तो सम्मारी मतलब स्टेबल सेस जांगो क्या होता है, ये बताओ। अब सेटल में स्टेबल सेसेस जांगो थोड़ा थोड़ा फिर से हिंदी में। ओके। वो हिंदी में बताऊं स्टेबल सेसेस क्या होता है, ठीक है? तो देखो। तब सो stable is like a, you can say, if I will give mine example, right? Okay, if I am a human body, sorry, मैं एक ह्यूमन बॉडी हूँ, ठीक है? तो मेरा जो स्केलेटन है ये एक एसटीएम है, एसटीएम। क्योंकि स्केलेटन ही हमारे बॉडी को क्या देता है, स्ट्रक्चर देता है, ठीक है? तो हम ये बता सकते हैं कि हमारा जो स्केलेटन है ये हमारा एसटीएमएल है, ठीक है? हमारा जो रंग दिख रहा है, ठीक है, हम काला है, गोरे है, सांवले हैं, ठीक है, हमारा जो रंग दिख रहा है बाहर से वो हमारा सीएसएस है, ठीक है? और उसके बाद हमारा जो भी अंदर का हम खाना खा रहे हैं वो अंदर जा रहा है, ठीक है, और वो पिस रहा है, ठीक है, वो ग्राइंडिंग हो रहा है, वो जो कुछ भी फंक्शनलिटी हो जाए, वो रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम भी होगा, ठीक है? तो जो भी फंक्शनलिटी होगा हमारे अंदर में, बॉडी के अंदर, मैं बायोलॉजी का स्टूडेंट हूँ, मुझे वो इतना ज्यादा पता ही नहीं है क्या होता है क्या नहीं है। फिर भी जो पता है मैं वो बता देता हूँ कि हम जो रेस्पिरेशन सिस्टम लेते हैं, हम जो क्या, हमारा जो स्टोमक सिस्टम होता है, तो वो क्या होता है, हमारा जावास्क्रिप्ट होता है, ठीक है? लेकिन हम जैंगो को ऐसे देख सकते हैं, मतलब वो ह्यूमन के अंदर देख सकते हैं, मतलब क्या होता है, आप अब क्या है ना, अब हमारा जो मतलब क्या है, हमारा बॉडी जो है उसका कलर तो है आपका, ठीक है? लेकिन हम उसको और ज्यादा डायनामिक बनाने के लिए, मतलब अब हम जो मेकअप लेते हैं, उसको सुंदर बनाते हैं, हेयर कट करते हैं, ठीक है, हम नए नए शर्ट पहनते हैं, ठीक है, तो वो सब होता है जैगो, ठीक है? उसको थोड़ा ज्यादा ही डायनामिक बनाने के लिए, हमारे वेबसाइट को ज्यादा ही डायनामिक बनाने के लिए, हम सुंदर लगने के लिए, तो उसको जैंगो बोलते हैं। वो एक पाइथन का फ्रेमवर्क है जो अभी अभी का टाइम में जो एक हाई पोजीशन है, हाई हाई पोजीशन में है वो, जैंगो का प्रोजेक्ट्स ज्यादातर अब करते हैं क्या, फॉरेनर्स अभी जैंगो का प्रोजेक्ट ज्यादा आता है, ठीक है? तो आपको तो आप पाइथन फुल स्टैक पढ़ोगे ना, ठीक है? तो आपको पाइथन फुल स्टैक पढ़ोगे तो आपको जैंगो तक जानना ही पड़ेगा। आप सिर्फ एक पाइथन का ही, पाइथन ही पढ़ के क्या कुछ कर नहीं सकते, ठीक है? आप पाइथन पढ़ोगे ना तो फुल पाइथन, फुल टू फुल पढ़ो। जैसे कि पाइथन वो बेसिक हो गया, ठीक है, वेबसाइट का फ्रंट एंड पार्ट आ गया, तो उसको उसके बाद आपको एडवांस लेवल आना चाहिए। जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना पाइथन में एडवांस पार्ट क्या है, जैसे नमपाई बोलते हैं, पांडास बोलते हैं, उसको क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब वो डाटा साइंस के लिए, एआई के लिए, मतलब इमेज प्रोसेसिंग के लिए, वो पाइथन पाइथन का तो मतलब एप्लीकेशन से ज्यादा है, आपको तो पता ही होगा। पाइथन अब कौन सा, मतलब आज का जमाने में जो एआई का जो ड्रिल चल रहा है ना, मतलब जो ट्रेंड चल रहा है अभी एआई का, अब तो आप लोगों को तो पता ही होगा, मुझे तो कम पता है, आप लोगों को तो ज्यादा ही पता होगा कैसे आप चीट करते हैं एग्जाम में, कैसे आप एआई के थ्रू से, मतलब वो जो कुछ भी मतलब आए वो चैट जीपीटी मारो, देखो जेमिनी आ गया है, मेटा एआई आ गया है। पाइथन को तो आप, पाइथन का तो एडवांस लेवल तो आपको मतलब क्या कुछ ज्यादा ही है, ठीक है? लेकिन मैं जो बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम एक डेवलपर, एक सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर में, तो आपको एज ए एप्लीकेशन बनाना है, तो आपको जाना पड़ेगा क्या, पाइथन फुल स्टैक में। जो आपको पता होना चाहिए फ्रंट एंड क्या होता है, जो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि पाइथन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेजेस का यूज कैसे करते हैं। और आपको ये भी पता होना चाहिए कि एक्चुअली एडवांस पाइथन के थ्रू से हम बैकएंड को कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, कैसे हम एक फुल्ली बेस्ड और एक वेब एप्लीकेशन, एक वेबसाइट, एक एप्लीकेशन, स्टैंड अलोन एप्लीकेशन बनाते हैं। ठीक है। तो आपको ये सब पता होना चाहिए कि आप पाइथन फुल स्टैक में क्या क्या पढ़ोगे, फुल स्टैक क्या ही होता है, और पाइथन ही क्यों, क्यों सी शार्प नहीं है, क्यों जावा नहीं है। आप इंडिया में देखो तो अभी आप एक स्टूडेंट की नजर से मैं देखूं तो पाइथन एक हाई पोजीशन में है। और एक फ्रेशर के लिए पाइथन तो एक गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी जैसा है। क्यों? मतलब पाइथन अभी इतना हाई पोजीशन में है ना, एवरी एवरी कंपनीज वांट ए पाइथन डेवलपर टू। क्योंकि क्योंकि मैं अब उड़ीसा की बात करूं तो उड़ीसा में इतना तो डेवलप नहीं हुआ है। वो पाइथन का जमाना ही नहीं आया है अभी तक उड़ीसा में। अभी भी वो पुराने जमाने में चल रहे हैं। नटनेट चल रहा है, पीएचपी चल रहा है। ठीक है। लेकिन आप थोड़ा उड़ीसा से बाहर जाओ ना, तो इतना ही ग्रूमिंग चल रहा है पाइथन में ना। आपको पता होगा कि पाइथन क्यों। ठीक है। एंड व्हाई पाइथन इज ओनली, क्योंकि एक एक आप एक देखोगे ना कि एक कंपनी में चारों लोग जावा के होते हैं ना, एक लोग पाइथन का होगा। एंड वो जावा के चारों लोग पाइथन के डिपेंडेंट हो गए कि पाइथन का जमाना इतना इतना चल रहा है, उसको ही रिस्पेक्ट देखते होंगे। मैं ये कंपैरिजन नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि जावा गलत है पाइथन गलत है, नहीं। क्योंकि वो पाइथन का अभी जमाना चल रहा है वैसे। ठीक है। तो आपको पाइथन का ही तो नॉलेज आना चाहिए, तो फिर तो आप तो एक पाइथन डेवलपर बन पाओगे। And once you have just completed and you just want to be prepare for a fresher to be a Python developer, and तुम लोग जाना चाहते हो क्या, मतलब बाहर जाना चाहते हैं, तो आप जाओ, पाइथन का क्या चल रहा है आपको पता चल जाएगा। अभी जो टेक्नोलॉजी चल रहा है ना पाइथन का, अब नाम भी पता नहीं होगा उसका कि ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है फॉरेन कंट्रीज में। यूएस में ऐसा कुछ चल रहा है, आपको पता ही नहीं है कि कुछ ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी बन गया है पाइथन का ही सब्सिक्वेंट से। लेकिन वो टेक्नोलॉजी ही ज्यादा हाई लेवल का हो गया है, उसको वो इंडिया के डेवलपर्स को पता ही नहीं है। ठीक है। तो इसी वजह से तो हम ये आप न्यूज सुना होगा कि नहीं, मतलब एक चाइना के सब डेवलपर्स ही 2 मंथ में एक एआई का चैटबॉट बना लिया। तो आप दिमाग लगाओ कि कितना ही फास्ट चल रहा है अभी। हमें अब भी इतना स्टेज में है, तो आपको तो थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज आना चाहिए उसमें। ठीक है। तो आप एक डेवलपर बनना चाहते हैं तो आपको एक एक फ्लो चाहिए, एक वेब डेवलपमेंट का फ्लो चाहिए। तो आपको हर कुछ, सब कुछ A to Z आना चाहिए, उसके बाद आप एक डेवलपर बन सकते हैं। ठीक है। As from a HTML is not a programming language. CSS is not a programming language. Still, you have to know why. Because if you don't know the front end part, if you don't know how to put an image, if you don't know how to write just a lines of codes in the paragraph, so why you learn, and why you want to be a developer. So from basic to advanced, you have to learn in all the Python full stack development, and I am the trainer there. Okay. If is there a doubt, you can ask. वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है एवरीवन। इट्स क्लियर एवरीवन। वॉइस क्लियर है अभी? विश्वनाथ, everyone enjoyed the webinar, right? Okay. So that's all for today. If is there a doubt, you can ask. I'll clear. अभिषेक, आपको पता चला क्या है HTML, Django? जावास्क्रिप्ट क्या है? ओके, समझ, ये समझ के। हाउ आर यू समझ? ओके। और कोई डाउट नहीं है तो क्लास ऐड करते हैं एवरीवन, वेबिनार। इज देयर एनी पीडीएफ ऑफ टुडेस क्लास? एक एक ओके, यू कैन यू जस्ट गॉट द video recordings of this class. Okay, sure, sure. You can get. Okay. If is there a doubt, अच्छा लगा पाइथन फुल स्टैक जानने के लिए, जानने के बाद? ठीक है। तो गुड नाइट एवरीवन, हैव ए गुड ड्रीम एंड नाइस टू मीट यू। थैंक यू ऑल। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू ऑल। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।